In this course, I will show you how to build a time tracking application from beginning to end. This is a Flutter app which is composed of multiple screens, and in the next video I'll give you a good overview of this app in detail. This application uses Firebase on the backend. Firebase is a backend as a service platform provided by Google which you can use in your own apps. Firebase comes with an extensive range of products, and you can learn more about them on the Firebase website. As part of this course, we will focus specifically on Firebase authentication and Firebase Cloud Firestore. To help you get a better idea about the topics that I will cover in this course, I have created this diagram. So we will start by learning the Dart language, and after we complete the installation and a brief introduction to Flutter, we will start building our application. Along the way, we will learn about layouts in Flutter, and then we will add authentication with Firebase, and we will talk about state management, streams, and reactive programming. We will see how to use Google and Facebook to authenticate users into our app, and we will learn about forms and validation by building an email and password form. And we will gradually introduce more advanced topics by covering inherited widget, provider, blocks, and more state management techniques. And after all of this, we will talk about Cloud Firestore, and we will see how to create and update data with forms, and also how to show it with list views. And there will also be a section on date and time pickers, and we will focus on navigation in Flutter. And we will learn about advanced stream operations with DirectStart, and finally we will have a very extensive section about unit and widget tests, so that we can learn how to write automated tests in a variety of scenarios. So we will learn about all these topics and a lot more. So let's continue on the next video, where I'll give you a complete overview of the app that we are going to build.